Why don't you go down and then we'll go up. There you go. So these are B. Okay. What kind are these, Alex? These are Otis Lexana also? These look a little bit newer. What kind of doors are those?
Center open doors.
Center open. Okay. Can we back up in case somebody's going to be on there? Thank you. Oh, here we go. Which one is it going to be?
Look, see?
There we go.
Tells you which one it is.
All right.
Nice outline.
Over here, over there. Yeah, see, look, it's got it on both sides.
It's nice. Another Otis. So what kind of fixtures are these?
Lexan fixtures.
Lexan fixtures?
By the way, I can put a phone here. 8.
Okay.
Oh, let's ask her where she's
What
going.
floor are you guys going to?
Hi, I'm going to 3.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Awesome.
2.
Thank you very much.
Okay, when we get to 3, let's hold the door open for her, right? There we go.
Have
a nice day.
Bye-bye.
This is elevator 21, Alex. Have a lot of elevators here. Okay.
Hello.
All right. I'm going to ask her what floor she's going
What floor
to.
are you guys going to?
8, please.
Perfect.
I have an elevator operator with
Oh,
us.
yeah, that's nice.
Isn't that nice?
Yep.
I won't have to push the buttons. He's been very good at pushing
Oh, no, don't press any others until she's up there. All right, let's hold the door open for her.
Good job. Thank you very much. You're
Bye-bye.
very helpful.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Now where are we going? Back to 2? Okay.
Good plan.
There's another old one for you to
Holy,
ride.
holy cow. Are you going to send it down as well? All right.
This one's not as rough, huh? Those old ones are rough.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
I think
This is an
What is this?
Otis Lexan.
this one will go all the way up to 8. So, can you get all the way up there? Can you push it? There you go. Great. Good job. So this is elevator number 5.
Let me see the, is that ADA compliant, Alex? Not ADA compliant, is it?
That's the blue service elevator.
Yeah.
That's
Back to 2? Okay. Sounds like a plan to me.
this
Not sure I've seen an outlet in an elevator before. That's kind of
it,
interesting.
this is a service elevator.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
All I know is it's an old one. I used to ride this one when I first was a brand new nurse here. I know, that's old.
look.
Let's go out this way.
Yeah, it looks like this was some kind of dumbwaiter there where they would send equipment
It was,
and
because
stuff.
right over here, over there, is where our central service supply used to be. Right where it says flower delivery. And then
Okay.
if they would need anything special, they would come and they would put it on the dumbwaiter.
And send it up to the floor.
surgery.
Got- These are slow, huh? Okay, here comes 2. I think it's going to open now. There we go.
See how she's going to take that special elevator and take it all the way up to the patients?
Nice.
First thing, we're going to go to 1.
Oh, we're going to go to 1? Okay. Thought this was going. It's going to go down. Okay.
Ooh, door closed.
Yeah, the door will close.
All right, and another outlet. Never seen it.
And these are express elevators.
Okay, it's elevator number 10.
See the key here? She used to have to operate it with the key. Oh, now we're going to go to 8. Okay.
We got to get our money's worth, Miss Diana.
Okay. That's fine. You only know how much I love elevators.
All right, Alex. Have you enjoyed your trip here to St. Elizabeth's Hospital to ride these elevators? All right.
I think you just saw her.
Mm-hmm. So, Alex, did you hear my question? Did you enjoy your tour here of all the elevators at St. Elizabeth's from Miss Diane?
Yes.
Yeah?
Oh, good.
Very, very nice. What do you say to Miss Diane?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we got it. So it's part of St. Elizabeth's, but this is where the
Called the dormitory.
where the
The sisters
dormitory.
Go up? We can't go down. Can we reach up to go up or not?
Oh, we're on 2, so
Okay.
yeah.
We'll go down to one.
Neat. There we go.
This is very little, so I'll stay here. This is
All right,
very
we'll come.
tiny.
We'll be right back.
That's fine. This is very tiny.
Got what? Speed door. There's one. Nuns didn't need much, Alex.
I got 10 of them in the elevator. Here. Did you push 2 for me?
You did.
Okay.
Here we go.
Great.
Hey, there's the fan, Alex.
What is this elevator called?
An old elevator.
Yeah.
This elevator called? What old one?
It's called an old one. This is elevator number 7.
Yeah, elevator number 7.
7 there? So
Elevator number 7.
That's number 7.
Okay. All right. That's it. Say goodbye to all your fans, Alex.